Hey, what's going on everybody? Joe here, Smoke Break Barbecue Club, the Man Bear Meat Company. Today I'm going to be making some smoked chicken gyros. These things are awesome. They're a staple in my house. I make these things probably once a month. Guys, this is something that you're definitely going to want to try. I guarantee you won't be disappointed. Follow along. Check it out. Hey, thanks for watching my video today. I hope you guys try this one at home. These things are amazing. You won't be disappointed. If you have any questions or comments, you know where to put them. The comment section right down below. I'll be sure to answer all of them that I can. And as always, guys, smoke them if you got them.